How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at these wiper arms and wiper blades, as well as showing you how to replace them on your first generation 1993 to 1995 Ford Lightning. Taking a closer look at the wiper arms, you'll find that these are going to be high quality replacements and are manufactured by Dorman. Their wiper arms are designed to closely mimic the factory arm, which will offer an exceptional fitment at an affordable price. They are black in color, just like the factory arms, and of course incorporate the drum head style fastening system. Now, the wiper blades themselves are going to be a standard issue Motorcraft replacement, so you're going to get a long service life from these wiper blades, and they're also going to install into the wiper arms without any problems. Each of these items are currently sold individually if you're needing to replace just one side. Also, they're going to be sold as a kit, so you can completely overhaul the front end of your truck. To begin the install, place a microfiber towel on the back side of the wiper arm. Pull up on the arm and pry out on the clip with a small flathead. Set the wiper arm back down until it rests on the clip. Carefully rotate the wiper arm back and forth while pulling out to dislodge it from the actuator. Go ahead and remove the old wiper arm and blade. On the new wiper blade, ensure that the clip release is facing the correct way. Position the hook on the new arm into the opening on the wiper blade. Fully seat the wiper arm into the clip on the wiper blade. The provided retaining clip won't be used for this application. Use a flathead and pull back on the base of the new wiper arm. Release the clip and then let the arm rest on the small tab. Realign the new arm and blade and install the arm over the actuator. Once you have it in the correct position, lift up on the arm and then engage the clip to lock the arm onto the actuator. Repeat these steps for the other side. At this time, you can check for operation and then of course make additional adjustments as they're needed. After that, you're all finished. Wrapping everything up here, fellas, replacing wiper arms and wiper blades on these trucks is pretty easy, as you can tell. This is something that can easily be done in your driveway, and as you can see, these components did a dang good job at freshening up our red 95 Lightning. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.